we ain't ducking no action. I said give them the attractions and the distractions, and I'ma line them like fractions. Freak, I let them live, look at all them eating, but these bitches don't be mad.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog.
Okay, so here go like my little stuff. Last time I did the makeup, y'all know that was not it, that was a flop. For like day-to-day stuff that I use, is only like this little duo lip gloss I bought on ABC. So I guess y'all could say like I do know the basics of like makeup and stuff. Like I'm about to put on my anyways, to my gloves because I'm not about to get my face done up like that. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long. I've been using this toner and it has been working. Don't worry, y'all. I use it today though. That's why I be breaking my little scale. I need to use it every day for like a week straight because I feel like my lash is not being done. It's stopping me from like having that look. I feel like I'm not achieving it because I don't have my lashes done. I'm feeling it already. Like, okay, in the video I'm watching, it says to put like, I'm scared. I'm gonna try putting like this dark around like my areas. I feel like it's more of a creamy thing and I'm using the wrong thing. Put it on this and I'll blend it with this. So let me go check her placement and I'll come back. As you guys can see, that like worked. It's like I guess. Okay, next up she added the concealer, I'm pretty sure, at these areas. So can we get it together? So I guess I'm gonna use this brush. This is my grandma's thing. It's new. I don't know if it's supposed to be right. I think it is. You guys like see me in like the mirror. It's not this bright on camera. It's my tone. Like I look good. I look good. Like it's giving. I'm really. Hold on. I need to burn that up a little. Man, cute. And I don't need a full lash to be cute. And then she put on setting powder. I'm pretty sure it's setting powder. I don't have that fluff thing, but I'm just gonna work my way with it. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it. I feel like it's makeup. I just feel like for a beginner, I'm doing it. It's giving semi UK girl. I don't care what nobody says. Like, get up on me if you think you're not like. But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Okay, now time for the lip combo. This type of combo because I really don't know what to do. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. I feel like I did good for my second time. Definitely gonna get better. Y'all. It might be I might do a little get ready with me. I don't know, but like right now it's not giving. Like, girl. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. We got the band on. The side part, and we're getting somewhere. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Like, y'all, this is my first time really like, well, not like doing this on my way, but like person trying to reinstall. No. Okay, so I'm ready. Y'all didn't vlog me on that, but basically I got some cheetah sandals on, earrings. I got a jean jacket.
Biggie, what are you doing? Big?
Bro, she keep calling
Big Bang.
She keep calling. Why that? She keep calling me Biggie and Rosie. Like, I'm done with my vlog. My kids are graduating. I'm really a mother. Yes, I'm a mother. You always got chilling the mosquito about to bite me in my ankle. It's already. What? We lost her.
Love yours.